We're going to look at the armrest assembly for our office chair. We can see here in perspective view that it's a very simple form which would normally be cast in aluminum or hard plastic. We're going to start this model with a deformed cube which we've already created here. We're going to use one of the preview windows set to left display to assist our modeling. Firstly, we need to select one of the faces on the cube we've created. And then we're going to use a series of sweeps and rotates to give us the basic shape. If we work inside the preview window, we can control the axis or rotations of our faces. I'm just using the rotate and sweep, right-clicking to control a single axis with the movement. What I'm doing is tracing my original arm design here, very simply going around using sweep. Remember that each sweep remembers the last projected path and will follow it. Move this down to here. As I'm modeling this, I'm tracking it here in my preview window. In the perspective window, you can see that we're going off of screen. That's no problem as we're tracking it anyway. Once again, move and rotate. This is going very quickly. Of course, we can go back as each of these sweep edges is still active, highlighted by blue, and rotate position or scale them. Using the object navigation and scene navigation tools here, we have very quick modeling. Right-click in perspective view again and move the selected face. Basically, we're learning which views are best to control modeling. One more sweep and we're nearly there. Bring it up to here, rotate, and now we just want to edit this face here. You're going to see now we've got a problem here, an open model here. We need to join these two faces together. I'm just going to close this perspective view, and we're going to go in and have a look at how we can do that. Select this object and delete the two internal faces we need to join. This is a most powerful part of modeling and is a big advance over TrueSpace 4. We can now create new geometry between these two edges using the tool Add Edge. Add two edges, and then we can add a face in there. And then we're going to add an edge underneath. Add a new face, and then rotate around and add an edge there. Now we've created a single loop, and we can even go in and delete the extra geometry we don't want. Another little tip here. I've included a hotkey for delete edge or vertex. I use the V key. So all I have to do is select my edge or vertex, hit V, and I've deleted it. Now we just need to create the tab there that we can see in the original model. Select a face and do a sweep. Of course, just to cap that, we need to use the subdivision object. And we've got instant division, and we've pretty accurately recreated that arm. Just come out of here and extract the mesh. And now what I want to do is make a copy of that object by pressing Ctrl+C. Now I'm going to mirror the object. Now what I've done is created a mirrored object. And once that's rotated, we'll open up a side view and rotate that around 180 degrees. Just done by eye at the moment, but we could of course do it numerically. You can see that we've got left and right armrests. Subdivide those and we have